the key to happiness. Happiness is the key of success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. So I would like to describe the meaning of this quotation on my personal example. It seems to me that most of us, being happy is the main aim of most of us. But sometimes it's very difficult to find this path that will help to achieve this happiness. So when I was finishing the school, I wanted to enter marketing faculty, but my parents insist on economics one, because as they said, this education will help me to find a proper job. So I entered economics university, and in the last year of my studies, when I was finishing the university, most of my peers were applying for the jobs in the big four audit companies, and this job considered as very prestigious and well paid. So I followed their example and got this job. And only in 3 years I realized that I didn't get pleasure from my job, and this job brought me money, some material things, but it pressed me, and I realized that I have chosen a wrong path. That's why I decided to ignore my 3-year experience in audit, my achievements in audit, and to start everything from the very beginning in marketing. I was sure that I will get more results for the shorter period of time in the profession I really love than in something that I don't like. So for me it's very important to enjoy so-called life journey and not to wait to become happy at some point of it. It was really complicated, but I managed to change the profession, and now I work in brand marketing, and I feel happy and successful, and I wish you don't be afraid to make changes in your life that will make you happier.